Hey, what's up guys? James from Junkyard Fox. Thank you so much for joining me. And today is going to be our very first vlog video for our Patreon viewers. So Patreon viewers get to see this little behind the scenes making of video first, and then a week from now I'll post it on regular Junkyard Fox. So for today we are filming downtown in the gutters of my city, and we're doing something akin to hobo survival for the Hidden Woodsman survival kit. So really excited for this video. And obviously, because we're doing urban survival, we're in a different environment, and I'm looking different. Don't say I don't love you. I did dress up the part. I have not shaved in about 2 weeks. I absolutely cannot stand my facial hair. It itches. I obviously don't have the genes for it, but you know, just to play the part, I did grow it out. Also, my fingernails, just to look a little bit more disheveled. I did find this sweet hat in the gutters about a week ago. I did wash it, but you know, authentic. And then this is my getup. Da-da-da, da-da-da. Check out my awesome shoes right here. So I did leave the cowboy boots at home. And this is gonna be really cool. So stick around, it's gonna be fun. Alright guys, so we just shot our introduction and we did write here. Now before anyone starts criticizing, these are dry erase markers. So we want to give it that aspect that it's graffiti just to give it a cool ambiance. But of course we don't like to deface property. So we write it and then we just use soap and water. And I mean, it's disappearing. So obviously it says Junkyard Fox Presents. But with a little bit of water and soap, we're getting rid of that. So just we're all clear on that. Okay folks, so for the music of this particular video, we're going to be using the music of Analog Feel. Now, for those of you wondering, Analog Feel is actually my buddy Cuervo Negro's other musical project. And Analog Feel is just different from Cuervo Negro in the fact that it's far more like industrial sounding, very electronic. So normally it doesn't fit with the motif of Junkyard Fox, but for this video that is, you know, in the city, in the slums, and the gutters, I think it would just fit a lot better. So if you're interested, you can check out the Analog Feel music link down below. Alright guys, so part of the film is we are in this little getup, this abandoned building. It's all dilapidated, so for our hobo character, he would have a little bit of privacy, a little bit of shelter, and he's going to be having his lunch. So we're just working with this little stove just to keep that fire very brief, very subtle, to not draw attention. And we keep spilling the damn soup, so if you notice in the background, there's all these little veggies on the ground. So yeah, but yeah, so far so good. I'm really excited about this video. We haven't done one of these little production type scenario videos in, I think, all year since Operation Survival, so hopefully it comes out awesome. Now, originally, I wanted to do an overnighter, an urban survival overnighter for this video. Unfortunately, the holidays are here. Thanksgiving's like 2 days away, so work's hectic and the holidays, and I'm trying to catch up on the comic book that I'm working on right now. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to do that. So it's just gonna have to be a scenario, and I hope to do some more urban survival stuff pretty soon. So.
Yes, sir. From eating soups in the gutters to this really fancy hotel resort during filming. This is Hotel Indigo. It's a very fancy schmancy little hotel slash bar restaurant, and it has a really nice view of the skyline. So we decided to end the video with that. So we're in here, and we're just trying to, you know, film really quick before we get kicked out because we look like absolute garbage. And this is like the Fraser Crane part of town. So yeah, trying to film before they kick us out.
Alright guys, well that's about the conclusion of this video. This film is a wrap. We already finished what we had to do. So be sure to check this out. Thank you guys once again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's probably been the most fun video we've filmed all year, and I mean, we filmed some fun stuff this year. So thank you all so much. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Carry your heart with me. I carry it in my heart. I fear no fate. You are my fate. Stand with your lover on the ending earth.